Do you know, when you're in the third year of the degree, you will be working as a software engineer or an IT professional. Can you believe it? This guaranteed path is only from the JDSE program of IJC. JDSE is a 2-year program which covers mobile application development, web application development, machine learning, UI UX engineering, IoT, artificial intelligence, and many more. Just by completing 1.5 years of your academics, the industrial placement begins. After completing 6 months of training in the industry, you will be an IT professional like software engineer, QA engineer, business analyst, or maybe a game developer with a high salary. This is a unique rule in IJC that you must be an IT professional to follow the degree. Wow, can you believe this? Even most of the graduates in Sri Lanka can be unemployed, but IJC students must be employed to graduate. IJSC guarantees that you're employable with a super solution for unemployment. Stop daydreaming after your A-levels and face the reality of IT industry. So if you want to become a professional in the IT industry, IJSC is the best place in Sri Lanka.